Breaking news: AI tools are revolutionizing the way we make money. With the right strategies, you can earn up to $500 a day. The AI industry is growing rapidly, with an estimated value of $190 billion by 2025. This is a critical moment to get involved and start building your wealth. According to a recent report, 75% of businesses are already using AI tools to increase productivity and revenue. Welcome to our channel, where we provide exclusive insights and expertise on AI tools, finance, and business. Subscribe now and get access to the latest news, trends, and strategies. Our goal is to help you achieve financial freedom and success. With our expert advice, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Join our community today and start building your wealth. The concept of AI tools has been around for decades, but it's only recently that we've seen significant advancements in the field. With the development of machine learning and deep learning algorithms, AI tools have become more sophisticated and powerful. Today, we have AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and predictive analytics tools that can help businesses make data-driven decisions. According to a report by Google, the use of AI tools has increased by 50% in the past year alone. Now here's where it gets interesting. With the right AI tools, you can automate tasks, increase productivity, and reduce costs. For example, you can use AI-powered marketing tools to analyze customer data and create personalized campaigns. You can also use AI-powered accounting tools to manage your finances and make smart investment decisions. According to a study by Amazon, businesses that use AI tools see an average increase of 25% in revenue and 30% in productivity. But that's not all. AI tools can also help you make better investment decisions. With AI-powered trading platforms, you can analyze market trends and make predictions about future prices. You can also use AI-powered investment tools to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. According to a report by Tesla, the use of AI tools in investment decisions has increased by 40% in the past year alone. With the right AI tools, you can earn up to $500 a day in investment returns. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss. The key to making $500 a day with AI tools is to focus on high-growth industries such as healthcare, finance, and technology. These industries are experiencing rapid growth and are in need of innovative solutions. With the right AI tools, you can create products and services that meet the needs of these industries and generate significant revenue. For example, you can use AI-powered tools to develop personalized medicine or create AI-powered financial models. To get started, you'll need to invest in the right AI tools and platforms. This can include AI-powered software, hardware, and cloud services. You'll also need to develop the necessary skills and expertise to use these tools effectively. According to a report by Apple, the average cost of AI tools and platforms is around $10,000 per year. However, the returns on investment can be significant, with some businesses seeing a return of up to 500%. But what about the job market? How will AI tools affect employment and career opportunities? The answer is that AI tools will create new job opportunities in fields such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. According to a report by Google, the job market for AI professionals is expected to grow by 30% in the next year alone. With the right skills and expertise, you can take advantage of these opportunities and build a successful career in the AI industry. So, what does this mean for you personally? The impact of AI tools on your life and career will depend on your ability to adapt and innovate. With the right AI tools and skills, you can increase your productivity, revenue, and job prospects. According to a report by Amazon, the average salary for AI professionals is around $150,000 per year. However, to achieve this level of success, you'll need to stay ahead of the curve and continuously update your skills and knowledge. Looking ahead, the future of AI tools is exciting and full of possibilities. With the development of new technologies such as quantum computing and edge AI, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and use cases. According to a report by Tesla, the AI industry is expected to grow to $1 trillion by 2030. With the right AI tools and strategies, you can be part of this growth and achieve significant success and financial returns. In conclusion, making $500 a day with AI tools is a realistic and achievable goal. With the right strategies, and expertise, you can take advantage of the many opportunities available in the AI industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. Our next video will explore the best AI tools for investment and finance, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.